morning, everybody. We are sitting here today to discuss about sustainable architecture. You know, it's very different from architecture because when you talk about sustainability of a field, you should think globally concerning your project, but acting very straight on the side to impact local population. You see. But normal architecture deal with, aesthetic, so it's the beauty of of the building. But in terms of sustainable architecture, we should think about sustainable architecture as something that a set of skill who can help us to build a house in which those who will be living in, they should be able to feel comfortable, that is the well-being of them, but should be able also to be healthy, that will not be healed of sickness. They should then therefore be able to increase their income because we should talk about comfortability, but without forgetting thinking about the income, the economic, daily expenditure. You see, by taking into consideration the environment in which the project is supposed to be implemented, like this, the flow, the wind flow, the rain flow too, then the position of the building on site according to the sun, and then being able at the end to collect all waste coming from that building and then help the people living inside to be able to reuse them for things like electricity, things like a biocarburant, things like a biogas to cook food. Today in 2024, we are not yet able to build a house in build a house to build a house, of course. Sorry, to build a house where we should can live without the normal electricity. And you see, we are in Africa, where we have sun, we have wind, we have rain. We don't really need to use or to depend or to live according to the conventional electricity because you have sun. In the north, when you build a house in the north, for instance, you should think about the fact that some materials are already available, like the sun, like gravel, like cement, because there are more industry in the area around the south who's producing cement. You should also think about the environment, that is the storm, that is the traditional housing around your site, and then the project should be integrated in that way, in taking into consideration the surrounding of where the site is located. If you want to build a house in the center of Cameroon, for instance, the environment is not the same because there sun is very, very difficult. You have gravel, you have um, or laterite, really, really long in English. You can also take into caution that the site town is very, very, very composing of hills. And so you take into consideration that this house should be well placed or well located. Take into consideration the fact that there are hills surrounding that building project. If you want to build a house in West Africa, it's not usually so different. West Africa, North, sorry, West Cameroon, the earth is quite the same like in Yaoundé, like in Bedouin. But in West Africa, you also have, in West Cameroon, sorry, in West Cameroon, you also have, hills like exactly like in Yaoundé. And then the climate is so different. It's not exactly the one of Yaoundé, but more cool. You know. So your house will include a good thickness of wall to be able to generate a little bit hot in the internet. But the house that you have to build, for instance, in Douala, you cannot do the same plan that you are doing in Gawa, in Douala. Why? Simply because you also have you certainly have, some in Douala, but there's a great factor that should take position in Douala. It is the right humidity. That's why you can get the same plan everywhere you are building. When you started thinking about that way of looking at architecture, you are doing sustainable architecture. When you started thinking about how much people will spend when living in their house, in water bill, electricity bill, in to pay for gas, you start thinking about sustainable architecture. This is the view that we have when we talk about sustainable architecture, and this particularity of our main brain when you are trying to making architectural design and moving to civil engineering, structural analysis. So for us, we are thinking about, sustainable architecture like a set of skill lies to produce a wonderful project in terms of beauty, a wonderful project in terms of well-being of people living inside, a wonderful project in terms of expenditure of those who are living inside. Our house, when we are building family house for us, you cannot pay more than 5,000 per month for electricity. It is less than 60,000 per year. It is very, 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 very interesting for everyone. We are making it that way because most people are trying to teach the better, statistical better in the house. But when you come to our academy, to our office, we come up with a plan of a building will help you to spend less as much as possible for your electricity bill and for your water bill because the house is a self-contained house which is autonomic. Which is I mean don't need interrelated in terms of sanitary system, the council sanitation system. You don't need it because your house is self-contained. We are using waste to produce vegetables. We are using waste to produce biogas. We are using sun to produce electricity. We are using wine to produce also electricity. That's why our plan is very, very, very special and very different from what others. Thank you very much. I will be glad to receive you in our certain environment to come up with a project for you very different from other one and to be singular in your quarter. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.